Hello, I'm Natalie Cahill. I'm the assistant for the National Installation Manager here at Xybix Systems. My daily duties include helping coordinate and schedule installations. We go almost everywhere that you can think of: national forests, 911 call centers, dispatch centers, hospitals, radiology rooms. We do just about everything, so my favorite part of my job is working with the amazing people here at Xybix and all the people we work at all the different locations. What motivates me the most about working at Xybix is the great feeling of accomplishment and satisfaction once a job is complete. We install at several different 911 call centers, so just knowing that we can make a workplace better for a great environment where people can stand and be healthy and get a job done is the best feeling in the world. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to working with you in the future. If you need anything, I'm here to help.